Hello everyone, this is my final video. I'm going to show two videos to you. The first one is the whole Blender crash course that we've been doing. And that's it. I know, it looks actually really good now. Now, this is my other video. This is my other video. This is the second video, and the second video is a donut that I learned from Blender Guru. So thank him a lot. Subscribe to his channel, and if you can, tell him about our Blender course. So yeah, thank him a lot. And that's it. Yeah. In my last video, I put that, wait, let me just go back. I put this link in the link down below. This picture link is going to be in the down below, which you can put in the end of your video, of your Blender video, if you want. So yeah, so you can press this and then it'll go to Google, and then you right click on this image, save, and then you can put it in the end of your video. So this is just a short video just to show you guys my final video, my final two videos that my final two Blender videos that I've been doing. So subscribe and like and hit that bell and do those things to Blender Guru as well. So bye-bye.